Hello everyone! This is Elizabeth Velasco from the Velasco team of Remax Gold. I'm here today at my latest listing at 2794 Maybrook Drive in Sacramento. This home is located in the NATOMAS Park Commons neighborhood. It comes with 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths with 2-car garage. This was built in 2006 by Lennar Homes and it used to be a former model home. Let's go take a look and let's see the tons of upgrades they have. I hope you enjoyed our tour today. If you have any questions, you may contact me at 916-730-8053 or you could visit our website at www.velascoteam.com. Talk to you soon!